Hi, I'm Paul from LK Metrology here at the Control Exhibition in Stuttgart, and behind me we have the new ALTERA SF shop floor machine. This machine is designed to allow you to make it, measure it on your shop floor, delivering lab grade accuracy directly to your production hall. This machine is designed to withstand temperature shifts, vibration, dusts and any of the harsh environments you might find in your production hall. With a selection of probing options available, optional operator safety devices and the ability to link this machine directly into your automation system, this will solve all of your shop floor demands. If you'd like to learn more about this machine, come visit us on stand 9-105 at Control, or alternatively check out our website www.lkmetrology.com.